Alright guys, welcome back to another video. After showing you how you can link Adobe Photoshop file to Adobe Illustrator, this is time to show you how you can link Adobe Illustrator file to Adobe Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop. I have used this banner in my first tutorial and the same banner I am using in second tutorial. First of all, I am going to convert all the layer into smart object. So select the layer and convert it to a smart object. Just leave the blank layer. I'm not going to save the blank layer because it's not useful for me. If you want to consider the blank layer, you can. Now I'm going to save the PSD file. Save as. I can name it banner for Illustrator. Banner for Illustrator, and just save the file. Now my PSD file is saved. Now I'm going to save each layer separately. So for that, go to File, Export, and you can see your option over here, Layer to File. Just click on this and browse the folder where you want to save each layer separately. I want to save the visual layer, so this option is checked. Now I'm going to use PNG24 and leave all the options default. Now hit run to start the process. Now you can see the process is going on. It will take a few seconds or few minutes depending upon the system speed. Now export layer to file was successful. Just click OK. Now you can see each layer is saved separately. You can ask a question that why we are going to save all the layers separately. So in few minutes I am just going to answer your question. Just go to Illustrator, File, and open the PSD file. And just open the PSD file we have saved, that's banner for Illustrator, and just hit open. If this option convert layer to object is selected, then leave it and just hit OK. Now you can see my banner is open over here and all the layers are imported. You can see all the layers are imported over here. Now here the question comes, why we save all the layers separately? Now what we are going to do is, we are going to link all these layers with the image we have saved separately. Suppose this logo, we are going to link with the logo. This global animation VFX text, we are going to link with the global animation VFX image. That's why we have saved each layer separately. So I think you got the answer. Now just select now I'm going to link the logo. Just select the logo and you can find the relink option over here. Just select the relink option and go to image resource and select the image banner for Illustrator, that is logo image, and place the link. Now do the same thing for global animation. Go to relink and select the global animation and just place it. The same way you can use for all the layer, whatever layer you want to link or you want to change in Photoshop. Now if you want all the layers to link, you can link it. I'm just showing you the example how you can use the link process in Adobe Illustrator. Now go to Photoshop and select the logo. This is a smart object, so it contains all the raw file inside. Just double click on this. Now I'm going to change the color of the logo. Just hit Ctrl U to open the hue and saturation. Now I'm going to just change the logo color to slightly yellow and just hit OK. Now hit Ctrl Shift S to save the logo. Select the format PNG. Now I'm going to save the logo on this banner. It will replace it. Now just hit save. Now it will ask you, banner for Illustrator logo.png already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes, we do. So hit OK. Hit yes to save the banner logo. Now just close this tab. No. Now I'm going to change the text layer. So select the text layer and double click. Now I'm going to change this text layer to it's slightly blue. Okay, so this layer is changed. Now again do the same process, Ctrl Shift S and select your folder, select the PNG option. Now this is the global animation and VFX image. I will replace the image with my new one. For that just hit save. Now again it will ask you, do you want to replace it? Yes, we do. Now hit OK and again close the tab. Now go to Illustrator. Now Adobe Illustrator is saying some files are missing or modified in the link panel. Would you like to update them now? Yes, we do. As we made the changes in Adobe Photoshop, the layer is automatically updated in Adobe Illustrator. The logo color has changed and the global animation and VFX text has changed. In the same process, you can link all these layers, and now this is the process by which you can link Adobe Illustrator file to Adobe Photoshop, and this is very simple and easy process. It will save lots of time and hard work. So friends, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.